Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is our Navratri special series. We are showing sarees in 9 different colors on 9 days of Navratri. Today is red color. So red is a very beautiful, auspicious color, especially in Indian festivities, Indian weddings. रेड शिवाय पुढे जात नाही पाऊल असं म्हटलं जातं. सो येस, रेड इज द कलर ऑफ सिंदूर. रेड इज अ very auspicious color, and because of that what we have done is we have these beautiful festive red colored sarees, especially for weddings or for Diwali. These are very pretty sarees. So this is a small set of Gadwal, Paithani, Kanjivaram and Banarasi. The one that I'm wearing is a very beautiful soft silk ikat saree. So this is very pretty ikat. Just look at this. It is not ikat print, it is beautiful ikat weaving right across the body of this saree. It has this lovely black jacquard weaving border. So this is a zari border. It has this beautiful pallu, a very pretty pallu. So if you like this saree is of course available. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next saree in our collection. So this is a stunning red Gadwal. This is a handloom, pure silk handloom Gadwal saree. Single colored Gadwal. Gadwals usually come in contrast colors. So just look at this special red colored saree. So this is how it looks. It has this query border, query butta border as we call it. It's not the usual kadil borders that you get to see. This border is basically full of motifs closely woven to each other. It has meenakari on them. If you see different colored highlights on the motifs along this border. This is the gorgeous, it's a very grand pallu design. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. The price range of the sarees in this video will be roughly from 19,000 to 32,000. I think this is the most expensive. Yes, this is 32,500. So that's the price range. Moving on to the next saree. It's a gorgeous new पैठणी in the house. So काहीतरी पैठण्यांमध्ये नवीन हवं असतं. We always strive to bring in some new designs, some new collections, even in our पैठणी section. Even if पैठणी is a very traditional form of sarees, just look at this. It's a single colored red, beautiful red colored पैठणी. नथीचा बुट्टा आहे. It has a nath butta. So nath is an beautiful ornament or jewelry piece, very traditional and authentic to Maharashtrian culture. If you see the weaving, it's very intricate. The nath butta is not too bulky in terms of its design. It's very intricately woven, very pretty. So all throughout the saree you will get to see these lovely nath motifs, and this is how the borders will look together, and this is the Maharani pallu. You can choose to wear a contrast blouse with this saree, maybe a deep wine or a peacock green or bottle green, emerald green will look good, or you can choose to wear a nice red blouse, keeping it monotone. If you like this one, go ahead, take a screenshot. Let's move to the next saree. The next one in our collection is this very beautiful, very pretty Kanjivaram. I'm just going to open this saree here so you get to see the intricacies of this weave. It has beautiful zari checks, alternate shaped buttas. The border is very elaborate, and the upper border and the lower border are different. The upper border is very narrow. Just look at this. It's almost like a brocade Kanjivaram. The checks that are woven are so closely woven. It gives a beautiful shine to the saree. This is how the lower border looks. Even if you want to pleat it narrow, you can choose to pleat it narrow. It will not disturb the design. So you can choose to pleat it narrow, pleated, or you can make the draping a narrow pleated one as well. And this is the pallu. A very pretty saree. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. This is a pure silk handloom Kanjivaram in brocade or zari checks design. Okay. Each and every saree is different. You will get to see a lot of variety in all our sarees. For those who don't know, we have a beautiful store here in Pune, just off Bhandarkar Road. It's a nice location. It's a premium, very very beautifully designed store. We are very sure you will get a very nice experience when you come for saree shopping. असं एकदम आल्या आल्या साड्या असं नाही आहे, छान एक्सपिरियन्स तुम्हाला देण्याचा आम्ही प्रयत्न करतो. इथे सुंदर व्हरायटी तुम्हाला बघायला मिळेल. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट वी आर ऑल्सो स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू स्टोर इन ठाणे व्हेरी व्हेरी सून. मोस्टली नवरात्र संपायच्या आत आपलं स्टोर चालू झालेलं असणार आहे. सो ती स्पेशल खबर तुमच्यासाठी आहे. राम मारुती रोडला प्रथाचं भव्य स्टोर येतं आहे. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर दॅट. देन लेट्स go ahead now. Let's go ahead to our gorgeous Banarsi saree. So this is a beautiful pure Katan silk brocade Banarsi. If you see, if you observe, even the zari color, the type of zari used in each saree is different. All these sarees come from different regions of India, and you will see the variety in weaving, the variety in the choice of colors. Even the shade of red also differs from, you know, region to region. So yes, this is it. This is a beautiful Banarsi brocade, very different design. It's a brilliant one for maybe तुमच्या घरचं लग्न असेल तर, किंवा घरचं फंक्शन असेल तर, or even if you want to wear it for Diwali get together, if you have some puja at your home. This is a very very pretty delicately woven saree. If you like this one, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our red colored collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching. We have many sarees lined up for you all. Navratri series miss करू नका. रोज वेगळ्या रंगाच्या साड्या दाखवायचा प्रयत्न करणार आहोत. Thank you. Stay tuned.